drunk, so that's a good sign. So let's get our groom back up here. Where's our bride? Alright, this is when the party's gonna really start. So where's our groom? Where's our bride? Where's Lena?
I don't know.
Did she run away too?
I lost my wife.
He lost his wife. It's only been an hour. Can anybody find the bride? Oh, she's in the... Okay. Let me have all the bridesmaid and all the groomsmen come up. All bridesmaid and all groomsmen. Come on, come on. All bridesmaid and groomsmen. Along with our bride. Alright, come on. Here we go. It's a slow process because everyone's pretty drunk, but it's okay. All the bridesmaid and all the groomsmen. I promise we won't make you do anything stupid anymore. So we say. Alright, come on. Don't be shy. We need our bride and our bridesmaids. Come on, come on, come on. Bridesmaids and bride, come on, here we go. Wow, there's a lot of love going on right now. Where's our bridesmaids and our bride? Here she is. Alright, where's our groom? Lena, come this way. Come this way. You're going to be first. Our groom's going to be right behind you. Alright, hands on her shoulder. Come on. This is what I call the love train. So hop on. Hands on her shoulder, hands on her shoulder. Next, come on, hands on her shoulder. Alright, when the love train comes through, you're going to hop on. Here we go! Make some noise. Come on, guys. Alright, let's ask Capital Seafood to also dim the lights a little bit. Excuse me, love train coming through. Love train coming through. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Alright. Love train coming through, love train coming through. Here we go. The love train is coming through. You gotta hop on. Here we go. Here we go. It's coming through. Over here, over here. It's coming through. Come on, come on. Alright, circle the dance floor, stay here, turn around.